Frustum of a cone. This is a cone. It is made up of two parts. If the cone cut by a plane parallel to the base, the first part is known as the frustum and second is cone. This is a frustum. The radius of lower part R2 and upper part R1. Height of the frustum is h and L is the slant height of frustum. This is a frustum. Okay. The volume of a frustum is 1 by 3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2. This is the volume of frustum. Next, the slant height L equal to h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square. R1 minus R2, the difference of these two radii is under root h square plus R1 minus R2 whole square L. And curved surface area of frustum is pi R1 plus R2 into L. And total surface area CSA plus area of these two top and bottom. The pi R1 plus R2 L plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. These are the formula of frustum. Volume, slant height, CSA and TSA. Now exercise. The question number 1 of exercise 13.4. A drinking glass is in the shape of frustum of a cone, height 14 cm. The diameter of its two circular ends are 4 cm and 2 cm. Find the capacity of the glass. It means volume. The diameter 4 cm and 2 cm. It means first diameter 4 cm. It means radius 1 equal to 4 by 2 is 2 cm. And diameter 2 is 2 cm. It means R2 equal to 1 cm. And height of the frustum is 14 cm. Now the formula of volume 1 by 3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2. Now put the value 1 by 3 22 by 7, height is 14 and 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1. 7 to the 14. Here is 44 by 3 into 4 plus 1 5 or 2 7. 7 4 is 28 to 308 by 3 centimeter cube. This is the capacity. The question number. The slant height of a frustum of a cone is 4 cm and the perimeters, it means circumference of its circular ends, are 18 cm and 6 cm. Find the CSA of the frustum. C1 18 cm, C2 6. Slant height L equal to 4. The circumference equal to 2 pi r. It means 18 equal to 2 pi into r1. Here r1 equal to 2 9 is 18, 9 upon pi. Similarly r2 6 equal to 2 pi r2. Cancel 2 3, r2 equal to 3 upon pi. Now put in the formula. CSA formula is pi r1 plus r2 into L. Pi 9 upon pi plus 3 upon pi into 4. Pi into 12 by pi into 4. Pi cancel. Here is 48 centimeter square. This is the circumference of. Question number 3. If as the cap used by the Turks is shaped like the frustum of a cone. If the radius on the open side is 10 cm, radius at the upper base is 4 cm and its slant height is 15 cm, find the area of the material used for making it. This is a cap. The total area of the material is CSA plus area of this base, pi r square, pi r2 square. Here r1 equal to 10 cm and r2 equal to 4 cm and L equal to 15 centimeter. Total area required for making the cap is pi r1 plus r2 into L plus pi R2 square. Pi 22 by 7. R1 plus R2 is 10 plus 4. 14 into L is 15. Plus pi R2 square means 4 into 4. Now solving this, 22 by 7 into 14 into 15. And by 7. Now 660 plus 352 by 7 and multiplying 660 into 7 4620 plus 252 by 7 is 4972 by 7 centimeter square. Next question number 4. Question number 4. A container opened from the top and made up of a metal sheet. It is in the form of a frustum of cone of height 16 centimeter with radii of lower and the upper ends are 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of the milk which can be completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. And also find the cost of metal sheet used to make the container if the cost is rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. Pi equal to 3.14. First we find the volume for calculating the cost of the milk. And again the cost of metal sheet used, so we have to find the CSA and area of the base for making the bucket. In question number 4, it is given that cost rupees 20 per liter, cost of metal 8 rupees per 100 centimeter square, pi is 3.14, R1 is 20 centimeter, R2 8 centimeter and height equal to 16 centimeter. First we have to find the volume of bucket. The formula is 1 by 3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2. Now put the value of pi is 3.14 and height is 16 and R1 is 20 square plus 8 square plus 20 into 8. Now 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 16, 400 plus 64 plus 160. Now solve 1 by 3, 3.14 into 16 and adding this 400, 560, it means 4 multiply 4, 6, 6, 12, 1 carry 5 and 624. Now solving this we get, now multiplying this we get 3 2 just 6 and 208 into 16 itna 10,449.92 centimeter cube. Now convert into liter, then divided by 1000, 10.44992 liter. Now cost is 10.44992 into 20. The cost is rupees 20 per liter. We get the answer 208.998. It means we can say that rupees 209. Now we have to find the area of the sheet. Then first we find the slant height, h square plus r2 minus r1 whole square. H is height of this frustum is 16 square plus 20 minus 8 whole square. It means 16 square is 256, 20 minus 8 is 12, 12 square is 144. This is the 400. Now the answer is L equal to 20 centimeter. The area of the sheet is pi L R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square. The area of the R2 square, area of the base of the bucket. Pi is 3.14, L is 20 and R1 plus R2 20 plus 8 28. Now pi R2 square is 8 into 8. Now solving this we get 1758.4 plus 200.96. Adding this 1959.36 centimeter square, and the cost is 1959.36 rupees 8 per 100 centimeter square. It means dividing by 100, decimal comes here, we get 156.74.88. It means rupees 156.75. Last question. 5. A metallic right circular cone 20 cm high and whose vertical angle is 60 degree is cut into two parts at the middle of its height by a plane parallel to the base. If the frustum is so obtained, be drawn into a wire of diameter 1 by 16 cm. Find the length of the wire. The vertical angle is 60 degree and height of the cone is 20 cm. This is a figure. A cone of 20 cm high, vertical angle 60 degree. The radius of this side R1 and R2. If frustum is so obtained, it means 10 cm height and radius R1 and radius R2. It is drawn into a wire whose diameter is 1 by 16 cm. First we have to find the radius R1 and R2. We make a triangle. Vertical angle is 60 degree. It means this angle equal to 30 degree. And height is 10 centimeter. And this is R2. By using tan angle, tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular by base. It means perpendicular is R2 and base is 10. This is a right angle. 30 degree opposite side R2 perpendicular to the base. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to R2 by 10. R2 equal to 10 by root 3. And similarly, in the second, the whole cone is 20 centimeter high. And this angle 30 degree and radius is R1. In this figure, tan 30 degree equal to R1 upon 20. This is the right angle. R1 equal to 20 by root 3. R1 and R2. In this case, volume of frustum equal to volume of cylindrical wire. Cylindrical wire. The volume of frustum is 1 by 3 pi h R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 R2. And volume of cylindrical wire is pi R square h. We have to find the height of this cylindrical wire. Pi cancel. 1 by 3. Height of the frustum is 10. R1 is 10 by root 3. R1 is 20 by root 3 square plus 10 by root 3 whole square plus 20 by root 3 into 10 by root 3. The big bracket. Okay. Here is R. If the diameter is 1 by 16, the diameter of wire is 1 by 16 centimeter. It means radius equal to 1 upon 32 centimeter. This is the radius of wire. Now put 1 by 32 into 1 by 32 into h. Now solving this. 1 by 3 into 10, 400 by 3 plus 100 by 3 plus 200 by 3 equal to 1 upon 32 into 32 is 1024 into h. 400, 700 into 10, 7000 by 3 3s are 9 equal to 1 upon 1024 into h. H is equal to 7000 into 1024 by 9. Now calculate this. Multiplying 7000 into 1024 by 9 is 796,444.44 centimeter. Now change in meter 796 for 0.44 meter. This is the length of the wire. Thank you.